Hey guys, what's up? I am Muneeb, and welcome to this brand new After Effects tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create this message pop-up animation inside of After Effects. So, without any further ado, let's jump straight into After Effects and get started. Let's make a new composition. I'm gonna call this main as our main render composition. Press OK. Then make a new solid as it will be background color. Select the rectangle tool. Make sure that no layer is selected and then draw a rectangle. Set the stroke to none. Hold on the Control or Command key and double-click on Pan Behind tool to make its anchor point in the middle. Set the roundness to 100. Then select the text tool and then you can type in any text that you want. I'm gonna type in hi. Set the file color to linear gradient. Let's add in a glow. Now, I am using Animation Composer 3 free script for the text animation. It is a free script. I will provide the link in description, so you can go ahead and check it out. Now, go to the Effects and Presets, and add Drop Shadow Effect on Rectangle layer. You can set these values according to you. I am using these values. Parent the text layer to the shape layer. Set the keyframes for scale and rotation of shape layer. Bring the anchor point of shape layer to the lower left side. Follow me and note what I am doing. Press the F9 button. Make sure that the edit speed graph is selected, not the value graph. Set the track matte of text layer to the shape layer to make sure the text visible only in rectangle. Then check the eye box to make the rectangle visible. Select both layers and duplicate by pressing Ctrl or Command+D. Parent it and set track matte of text layer to the shape layer. Change the text as you want. Follow me. Let's animate it. Create a null layer. Parent all the shapes layer to the null layer. Set the keyframes for position and scale of null layer. Press U to reveal keyframes. Then follow me. Set the anchor point of shape layer to lower left side. You can add more messages to make it more awesome. I made this. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a like, as this motivates me to keep on making more and more videos for you. Take care till the next video. Bye.